Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Very good morning to everyone. And again, really, I am thank you to all parents. One by one, I am getting the message. I feel so happy and so good. Thank you so much for your cooperation. Hope you all are well. Warm good morning. So, I will not give today any homework. You feel relaxed because today Thursday, many work this week, so busy. So we will do the new experience. So inshallah I will try. I will give small activity, interested activity. So let's see inshallah my plan for next week. Okay, so we can enjoy also with the family. Now we will come the same chapter up to 200. Numbers, number names, greater than, less than, small sums are there. Before we read, we know about the place value. Now we are learning comparing numbers. Comparing means big, small, same, is equal to means. So first we will come to the equal to. The equal to line is two sleeping lines, same size, not big, not small, same size, sleeping line, you can say like. So this is the equal to sign. Equal to, we can say equal to. This is the equal to sign when we use it between two numbers. It means that the numbers on both sides of the sign have the same. See, you can see the two balls. Some fruits are there equal quantity like 29. The sign, just fill in the blanks, then 29. Then in the fill in the blanks you should put equal to, because the in both sides same numbers are there, same shapes also is there, so equal to. But some are the quantity are same but weight also same, maybe the face shapes are different, like see 30 here, 30 equal to 10 plus 20. If you put like 10 plus 20 equal to 30, so if add here and equal to 30 if you are putting, means here see 10 plus 20 equal to 30, and here 2 9 29, here equal to 2 9 29, means both are same shape, same weight, everything. But come to down, here is 2 digits only, here is 2 digit plus 2 digits, means like we are dividing here little bit, we are giving the shape little bit change. Okay dear one, so equal to means same quantity. Come to the next. For example, you have two sister or two brother, or one sister or brother, just age difference also. Who is big and who is small? We can say small and big, but the if like twins, we can say equal to. They came same day, same faces, equal, right? And whatever the quantity, both sides are same, which sign we will put? Very good, equal to sign we have to put. Okay dear, here is the slipping line, two slipping lines are there. Okay, so we are using slipping line 2, so it is called equal to. Now you come to the greater than. Greater than means big. Whenever sign is open side, the number should be big. Which one the pack pointed shape is? The number is small. Just keep in the mind. See, you make with your point finger and big finger. In between this same shape will come with right hand, and with the left hand the smaller than is coming. Do with hands like this. See, greater than and smaller than picture. Okay. So which mouth, like here more example is there, where the crocodile mouth is open, it's, see, this is the greater than, and which mouth here open, here also greater than, and which is coming like point side means small. See, which one is opening the mouth, it is big, and which one is pointing here, small. Same, which one is opening here, 59 open side, and close the pointing shape, see here 19 means small. See here, this is the greater than sign. It is placed between two numbers in such a way that the open side is towards the bigger number. It is also called the more than sign. For example, you have two kids, one boy or one girl, or two girls or two boys, no problem. Okay, so just take out your hand and put right side to anything like apple and left side 3. Just think which number is big. Yes, left side, because 3 apples in left hand and 2 apple in right hand. So the greater than sign is coming, whatever you can see on the screen. Now what you will do for the smaller than or less than, you will take the 3 apple right in hand and 2 apple in the left hand. Please, this activity you will do, okay, according to the sign I am explaining to you. Here big means before you are keeping the 3 apples in left hand, that's why the sign big one is coming here. Now, and pointing is right side means right side 2 apples. Now you change the apple sides. Now you will put the 3 apples in right hand side. See, if you are seeing the screen on, same it is showing the greater than here in right hand side and less than small. See here pointing. So 2 apple in left hand side. So you can see the which one is more, it is greater than, which one is less, it is the less than or smaller than. So this is, you can see the bowl also. Here is the more thing, more fruits, and here is the less, and here is the 30 and here is the 13. So check here which sign is opening the mouth like Magarmach type. It is the, which one is opening mouth, it is greater than, more than, and which is showing the pointing, it's a smaller than and less than. So come down, this is the smaller than sign. It is placed between two numbers in such way that the close sides, see here open side and here close side. This is the open side and this is the close side. This is the close side, this is the open side. Understand? Which one is open side? It is called greater than. Which side is the closed side or pointing side? It is a less than. Hope you understand. Easy method. Okay. What activity I done just now? I am doing 3 apple first right hand, 2 apple in my right hand, 3 apples in left hand side. So I am using this first sign greater than. Now I am changing the position of the apples. 3 in my right hand and 2 in my left hand. So this sign is coming here, greater than and less than. See, here is the 2 balls. So here is the 5 fruits, here is the 2 fruits. So which is the open side? Its side is big number. You are keeping the more things. And which is closed side? It's less quantity of compared to that fruit, whatever you are keeping. Okay, everyone? Okay. Remember the sign like this. See, for example, it's giving here the crocodile. The crocodile's mouth always open towards the bigger number. Okay, dear one, understand? Comparing numbers equal to, greater than, less than. You can use your fingers also, point finger and big finger. Just open it. You make yourself here greater than and less than. Which one is the open side? It is greater than. And which one is closed side? It is less than. Okay, dear? I know my student as well as the parents also intelligent. Okay, comparing different number of digits. Here we are taking some examples. Please read this chapter carefully, then you will know about the greater than, less than sign about. Okay? Suraj is the captain of the cricket team. You can see the picture. Here is the cricket team. He had 128 runs on one day and 47 runs on another day. Which is more? 47 is bigger, 128. Check here, comparing 128 and 47. Very good. 128 is the greater than and 47 is the less than. The number with 3 digits will be greater than the number with 2 digits. See here, again we are using here place value. Ones, tens and 100. 100 means 100, tens means 20, ones means 8. 128 means 3 digits, ones, tens and 100. Here see 2 digit, ones and tens. 4 means 40, 7 ones means 7. 47. Okay. So answer is 128 runs are more than 47. Now come to down again. Comparing the same number of digits. Same number. Compare 163 and 163 and 135. Which is greater than? Wow, very good. I am hearing to you. Very good. 163 is the bigger number, more than 135, because both are 3 digits. But the number is one digit. Both are 3 digits number. But compared to 163, 135 is less. If the digit in the 100 place are the same, compare the digits in the 10 place. 6 is greater than 3. See, tens place. Ones place, ones place. But 10 place, tens place. 6 and 3. So 6 is more than 3. Okay? Greater than 3. So 163 is the greater than 135. Compare 172 and the 179. Which is the smaller? So 172. See, ones, tens and 100 again. Ones, tens and 100 again. So compare here. Sign also there. 172 is the smaller number compared to 179. So here the try this you can do in the book, or you want to write in the copy if possible. If you have books, no problem. If you don't have book, better you will just one exercise you should complete in the copy. Okay dear. Now come to the last. If the digits in the 100 place and the tens place are the same, compare the digit in the ones place. For example, see 172 and 179. 100 place same, and see 100 and tens place are same. Here is 100, here is the 100, here is the tens, here is the tens, same 7. But the place value once is 9 here and once is 2 here. So which number is big? Just think. Which number is big? Right, 9 is big. So 179 is big and 172 is the less. So 172 is less than 179. I hope you enjoy my maths class. I am not giving any work. Just read it, understand. 2 days holidays, whatever I gave the previous classes, till this 2 page, please read and keep in the mind. Don't forget. Okay, maths is like a ocean. You know the swimming, then you go to the swimming pool. If you don't know, then you feel afraid. So maths is so good. If your basic is good, then you are going smoothly. So don't think this is easy. I know you are intelligent, very intelligent, because I am seeing your copies, your attentions. So Alhamdulillah, I feel so happy. So read it and increase your knowledge. Thank you so much. Happy weekend. Allah Hafiz.